Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making a traditional Danish dish called brown potatoes. It's usually eaten at Christmas but is good all year round. The ingredients I have for this are 500 grams of new potatoes. I've got a teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of sugar, and I'm going to use 25 grams of vegan butter. The first thing I need to do is to boil the potatoes. So I've added the salt to the water that's just covering the potatoes, and that is brought to the boil. It's going to boil roughly for 15 minutes until the potatoes go soft, and then taken off the heat to cool down. Once the potatoes have cooled down, I'm going to peel them using a knife, or you can use your fingers under some running water. Now take a frying pan and add the sugar as evenly as possible and put on a medium to high heat until the sugar has melted. Now the sugar is melted, I'm just going to add the 25 grams of butter into the pan, and then once that has melted I will put the potatoes in and keep turning them until it's fully covered in the melted sugar and butter. As you turn the potatoes, the melted sugar and butter mixture will stick to the potatoes, making them turn brown. So all that's left to do is to keep turning the potatoes until they're all covered as much as possible with the brown sugary sweet coating, and then we are almost finished. After 5 to 6 minutes of turning the potatoes, they are now fully covered and cooked, so they can be served. So cutting the potato in half, you can see it's soft in the middle and it's got this lovely caramel sugary outside, which goes really well with seasonal vegetables. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below.